Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, so you've been learning how to move around, type, edit. You're doing such a great job so far. But before we move on, let's make sure all that effort doesn't accidentally disappear. Today, we're covering something really important: how to save your work and how to reopen files again later. Let's dive in. Let's say you've made a list, shopping list, or anything else in Excel, and you don't want to lose it. Here's how to save it properly. So you're going to go to Click File in the top left-hand corner. You're going to choose Save As. Pick where to save it, like your desktop or a folder. Give it a clear name, and then literally click Save. And just like that, it's safe. Okay, so where did that file actually go? If you saved it to your desktop, it should be right there. If you picked a folder, go to that folder and open it again. To open a save file later, you've got a few easy options. Option 1, you can double click on the Excel file from your folder or desktop and it will open up. Option 2, open Excel, go to File within the actual program, open, then browse and find your file. Excel even remembers recent files, so you can get back to your work fast. Okay, and finally, when you save a workbook in Excel, you can see that it ends in .xlsx. That's the official file type Excel uses. It's different from Word documents or text files. Just make sure you're opening Excel files with Excel, or they might not display properly. So, now you know, saving and opening files might seem basic, but it's one of the most important habits to get right, especially as your work grows. Here's a quick task to try right now. Open Excel. In cell A1, type your name. In cell A2, type today's date. Now, go to File, Save As. From here, choose your desktop or folder. Name it something like My First Excel File and hit Save. That's it. You've officially saved your first Excel file. Okay, everybody. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.